Today we're going to start having a look at division. Okay, so here we want to calculate 2076 divided by 3. So set our calculation up, 3 into 2076. So essentially in order to do this we need to know our 3 times table. So we ask ourselves, how many 3's are there in 2? So there are no 3's in 2. And we carry our 2 across to the next column. Next question we ask, how many 3's are in 20? So I know that 3 6's are 18, and I have 2 left over. I ask, how many 3's in 27? I know that 3 9's are 27. And finally, how many 3's in 6? Well, I know that there are 2 3's in 6. So 2076 divided by 3 is 692. Okay, here we want to calculate 419 divided by 4. Okay, so we go through our same process. How many 4's are in 4? So there's one lot of 4 and 4. How many 4's are in 1? So there are 0 4's in 1, so I carry that 1 across. How many 4's are in 19? Well, I know that 4 times 4 is 16, but there's 3 left over. And we don't say remainder 3 at high school, and what we do is we just kind of move into the decimal system. So here we're going to introduce a decimal point, and a decimal point, and we're going to do something like this. So introduce our 0, and from this previous calculation, 4 into 19 goes 4 times, and we have 3 left over. 4 into 30 goes 7 times, with 2 left over. So I need to introduce another decimal point with my 2 left over. 4 into 20 goes 5 times. 419 divided by 4 is 104.75.